5-star looks like a regular makeup palette, right? Well, not for long. Use a scalpel to get the pieces out, and once you've got them all, replace them all with candy. Take the wrappers off and smash them down. Now they're the perfect size. Look at all that. Sweet goodness. Double stick tape on your candy and boom. Now we make a bird. A few skillful circles can go a long way. Just have to know where to add the lines. Nice, right? But some color will really make it pop. Yellow is such a happy color. It's perfect for such a cheerful guy. And how about some green? Such a piece for you. And add some blue for a real treat for the eyes. Doing the edges first is always best. It really rounds things out. Almost done. Just a couple of finishing touches. And that's how it's done. A true masterpiece. Can you a few strategically placed dots and lines? Did you see the bird beak yet? Don't worry. It'll all come together soon. These branches ought to give it away. And here are cute little feet. A little greenery. I think it's quite peaceful. Can you see this beautiful bird now? Freeze water in the bottom of a vase. Remove the ice cube from the glass. Now take out your paint set. It's time to get artistic paint directly onto the ice cubes. Use different colors of paint. As the ice melts, the paint will move and swirl. The colors will start to merge. Just keep building up the different layers of paint. It's actually pretty relaxing. It gives a pretty awesome effect. And the end product is pretty nice. This is the genius idea. I'll use these two heart-shaped cookie cutter to make a heart. There we go, and now I need to feel the center. I'll use this new series to be clean and tidy. There we go. The UV light makes it dry quickly, but I need some glitter. These little hearts and stars and flowers are so pretty. I can use one of your puzzle pieces to ensure you never lose your keys. Once the piece is all covered, put the first letter of your name on top. All done. Now you'll never miss your keys. Here is the 3D pen to make the labels. This may take a while, but the result will be totally worth it. You can make the bristles as long or as short as you want. Keep going until you cover the whole spatula. Time for a trim. Halfway should work well. There, you've got yourself a brush. This thing isn't cute. I better take some measurements here. Give it a trim too. I'll put a dab here at the end and then fly this plastic cap over it. Now for some foam. Another line of glue on the edge of this foam piece. Then I need to wrap it around the ink to want to keep it nice and straight and tight too. Then I'll use this little tube to make circle indentations on the foam. More glue time, glitter, and sparkle time. How do you do this, little unicorn? Let's add you to this too. More glue. You're going to live right here on the top. My vanity, beautiful Ben is complete. All right, I've got my mold and my filler. Time to fit it all in. It's sparkly. This is fun, just a little bit more. And just now to let it set. It's been long enough time to pop into the mold. Yes, I love my sparkly unicorn, and I love that it's on my phone case now. Let me take a tortilla and slice it halfway like this. Then add different things to each quarter. It can be toppings or condiments. Then fold each quarter like this one. Bowls at a time. Last one. Perfect. Now how to solve this problem though? I'll put dollops of toothpaste in this garbage. Now I can make a fruit burger. The apple will be the button kiwi to last a slice of each for the meat, and strawberry jam bananas for the condiments. I can even make some apple French fries. Take a roll of tape and lay it flat. Put 2 strips of tape over the center of the roll, just like this. Now start to draw on the tape. Fill it and use different colors, creating sections. We want a rainbow effect. I'll put my phone right here and enjoy the light. I'll need this piece of cardboard. And now to add a drawing, he must get his art skills from me. Alright, the drawings are done, and now I'll laminate it with packing tape. I'll just hold it together. Get rid of all this junk. I want a little spring at the end. That's exactly what I need. Now, hand over that egg. Now to cut it with the spring. There it goes, all the way through. What a perfect spot. 7 tomatoes and 1 lead and 1 swift slice. As long as you hold it firmly, thinking I'll get half at once. The perfect place is stuck about the time saver. This is very simple way. Now filled it with cereal, and I thought the cream. The ice cream is nice and soft, which will make it easier to scoop. That's a perfect scoop of ice cream. And now I'll put it on the poppet along with all the cereal. I'm going to need some more there. I've covered the whole toy with the ice cream. And now that I've frozen the toy, I can flip it over. Look at that. It pops right in and pop it. I just need some cardboard there. Fun. Need a couple more of these and make some layers, and then I'll have them paint because we want it to be pretty too. Now, for this circular piece, I'm going to need some hot glue, and the doggy can sit right on top of it. Next up, I'll add a jar right here with a slot in the lid. Now, beat the doggy. Look at the coin. It's going right down to the jar. Let's get to work. I'll start by drawing some lines and make them bigger. As I go, I want this to be amazing. A perfect circle. Let's draw the eyebrows. I'll just make a small squiggle with a 3D pen. And now the eyes. This is actually quite relaxing. I'm enjoying it. I'll give it a nice, big smile. It's just like an emoji. Now it's totally clear to help preserve your food's freshness. It's a universal bit. It'll stretch over any bowl plate or fruit. A fresh 5 stars are onions hard to peel. While there's no need to cry when you use the onion peeler, stick the onion on the peeler and lower the peeler. It's that simple. An appealing 5-star cutting bagel can be harder than it seems. But with this bagel cutter, you'll have the perfect slice every time. Insert the bagel and cut. The blade is built into the handle. So all you have to do is push down. You'll have an even slice every time. It'll meet all your big goals.